Hi, it's been quite a long time since I met you all with a video. That's because I was a bit occupied with trading all these days and had some other personal work as well. So I couldn't find enough of time to record a video and post it. That's the reason, and sorry for making you wait all these days. So, diving into the topic directly, as I said in my previous video, in the upcoming videos, we'll be discussing about the technical aspects. So, I'll be explaining from where we are going to start. The technicals that I'll be talking henceforth in all the videos that can be learned and implemented in all the markets as said before, but to show you examples I would prefer to show you the examples from the currency market, that is forex trading market, right? You might ask me why I chose forex when we have the Indian market and other commodity markets in hand. The reason for choosing forex is endless. There are a lot of advantages comparatively. To list a few of them, to start with, Forex is the largest financial market in the world. That is, if you go and browse in the Google, you would find like roughly there is around $5 to $6 trillion that's been traded every day. So, when there is so much of liquidity in this market, there will be a lot of volatility for us to trade as well. So, I'm choosing Forex. The second reason is that there is n number of participants. When the volume is high, of course, the participants will also be high. And Forex is a 24 by 5 market. That is, it operates all 24 hours and 5 days a day. If you think what's the advantage in operating 24 by 5, the reason is one first reason is that you can start working at your own pace. If you're free in the morning, you can trade in the morning. Or if you're free in the afternoon or even in the midnight, you can choose accordingly. The second most reason is that Indian market starts at around 9:15 in the morning and it ends by 3:30 in the afternoon. And the next day, when it starts at 9:30, the in between gap between the previous close and the next day's opening, during that time the world market will be operating. And just in case if you have any position in holding, because of the impact of the world market, there might be a lot of changes in the opening and closing price of the Indian market. So we say it as gap ups and gap downs. It won't if you look at the chart of Nifty, for example, in the Indian market, you cannot find it to be continuous. There'll be a lot of gap ups and gap downs. So in that case, when you start trading, your predictions might go wrong, your holdings might end up in losses. So I would always suggest you to practice on a 24 bar 5 market, wherein it closes only once in a week. So it'll be quite easy for you to handle when you don't find any gap ups and gap downs in the market. And then there is a lot of leverage. For currency markets offer you a lot of leverage. Unlike the Indian market, you have leverage up till 1 is to 500. Even there are some brokers who offer 1 is to 4,000 also. So when the leverage is high, even if you have a very small capital, you can trade for a high value and check how it works for you. And apart from all this, for a beginner, what I suggest is the one most important criteria for you to pick up forex market is that if you are a person who's completely new and who doesn't know how to enter into the market, how to take up an order, how to trade, nothing. If you are a person who knows nothing about it, you can indeed open a demo account. Demo account will be available in all the forex trading platform. You can open a demo account and it is exactly similar to the live trading platform, apart from the only reason that in the live trading you will put in your own currency and trade, and here you can trade with a virtual currency. So you can do all the entries, exits. You can try all the stuffs that you've learned from the videos and other things. You can have a hands-on experience, and once you gain confidence, you can go to the actual account and start taking up your trade. So that is one big advantage that beginners can do. They have all the freedom to practice in this demo platform. So that is one most important thing. And another thing is that in Indian market, the brokerage, that is for every trade you need to pay a small amount as brokerage, that is very high. In the forex market, you do not have any brokerage charges, so that is another advantage. So I'll post few slides also regarding this. You can go through it meanwhile, and we are working on a solid video which will contain about details about the candlesticks and technical patterns and other stuffs. You can I'll not make you to wait for a very long time actually. Sorry for making you wait all these days itself. So you can expect those videos in near future itself. So think about it. You too do your self learning. Meanwhile, I'll meet you with another very informative video. Thank you. Happy trading. Bye bye.